typically I just didn't have that much time. You know, I was either running my own jobs or doing my own things. I didn't have time to sit in the market all day, all the time. So what I'd most of the time do is right in that first 9 minutes, I can see what's happening. And you guys already know the first 1 to 3 minutes is the most volatile. Well, I take advantage of that, right? You'll typically get big pullbacks at the open. I'll see where support is, bang, hammer it to the upside if that's what it's trending. Or if there was bad news and I saw right that it was slowly creeping to the open and then I already know it's going to drop, guess what? I'm going to be in those puts because it couldn't break like a pre-market high or a previous day high. Boom. So all of this can be done right away. And since you guys, I mean, you guys have seen me before, right? I'll put, I don't know, 200K into a trade, right? Or even 50K into a trade. Well, you do that, less than 30 seconds is easily going to be $3,000 to $5,000, right? And that'll be a 10 to 30 second trade, or I could make 1 to 3 trades with the same thing, just heavier weight. And I'm in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out, buy done, right? I want massive volume, right? I want huge ups and downs so that I can make money when it's doing these crazy moves. And the funny thing is, the whole reason I designed this pre-market setup that you guys see, the thing that I walk you through every morning, is because every day, right, I would take my 3 to 5 favorite stocks that I'm going to be watching. Notice I always have 3 charts up. I will take those 3 to 5, right? And those will be the ones that I will go, okay, I'm going to do this and this. These are my moves. What's going to happen in this range? This is where the whole pre-market setup was designed, because I do use these at the open, just like you guys see. And then, of course, throughout the day, they end up becoming a bigger deal because those were key levels that I identified. But I do those specifically so that as soon as that bell rings, I'm ready to rock and roll. This, for example, NVIDIA, right? These aren't just some, mystical numbers we're calling out. This is because in my head, as soon as it breaks this level, I'm a go, go, go. If it can't break this level, I already know it's going to collapse. Why? Pre-market high, right?